Let's repaint my cabinet from this to this. From this. So ayan guys, I'm preparing for my repainting. So I need to sand it first, and also kailangan kong iprotekta lahat ng surroundings niya so that I won't have to redo some painting to the walls. So kailangan talaga protektado. And yeah, I already finished the lower part. Now let's continue moving up. Alright. Ayan guys, tapos na nating kinover yung prinotektahan yung wall. Now it's time to prep the cabinet using sandpaper. So ito yung gagamitin natin para mas dumikit yung pintura. We need to roughen it first. Break time muna guys. Ito pala yung view sa balcony ng condo. Sobrang ganda. It was around 4 p.m. this afternoon. Very nice, right? Ayan guys, natapos na din yung pagpintura ng buong cabinet. So now, time to clean up and reveal the results. And ngayon guys, ini-install ko yung backsplash para at least may accent dito na tiles. Ayan, so let's see kung ano yung magiging labas. Ayan na guys, yan na yung final product natin. And ito yung backsplash. O diba, ang ganda ng backsplash guys. Parang pro yung gumawa. Parang pro tayo And then tingnan nyo yung cabinet yung texture niya. Matte finish na. So may imperfections pa. So ayan. Nilagay na natin yung mga gamit sa loob. But look at the cabinet guys. Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Tas ito naman yung look niya sa angle na to guys, 'di ba? Di tayo nagkamali sa paggamit ng matte finish black. Since black na yung table natin, yung cabinets natin, I incorporated gold accent sa mga utensils para in total natawag niyan, mag-complement, mag-interact. Basta yun na yun. Maganda ba? If you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know, please.